Daily dialogues in English. Practice your listening and speaking skills.
Good morning, Emily. How did you sleep?
Morning, Sarah. I slept well, thanks. You?
Not bad. Hey, did you use all the hot water again?
Oops, guilty as charged. Sorry about that.
No worries. By the way, have you seen my keys?
Check the kitchen counter. You always leave them there.
You know me too well. Emily, you won't believe what happened in class today.
What happened?
I got an A on my history paper. Can you believe it?
That's amazing. I told you all those late nights would pay off.
You were right. Now, I just need to survive the math test tomorrow. I can't believe I got a question wrong on the math test. I studied so hard.
It happens to the best of us. Don't be too hard on yourself.
You're right. Let's grab some ice cream to lift my spirits. I needed this evening chill. Thanks for being here.
Anytime, Sarah. So, what's the plan for the rest of the night?
Probably just Netflix and chill. Want to join?
Absolutely. Let's see what's new.
Well, I guess it's time to call it a day.
Agreed. Sweet dreams, Sarah.
You too, Emily. See you in the morning.
Morning, Alex. How was your weekend?
Hey Mark. It was great. I went hiking with some friends. How about you?
Just relaxed. Watched a movie and read a book. By the way, did you finish that report?
Not yet. I'll work on it during lunch. Speaking of which. Want to grab coffee later?
Sure, let's meet at the usual spot. This report is killing me.
Relax, Mark. We'll get it done. So, any plans for the weekend?
Not sure yet. Maybe catch a movie or try that new restaurant downtown.
Count me in. I need a break from work.
Alex, I found this amazing recipe online. How about we cook dinner together tonight?
Sounds like a plan. What's on the menu?
Spaghetti bolognese. I'll stop by the grocery store on my way home. That was a great meal. Thanks for cooking.
No problem. We make a good team in the kitchen. Now, let's clean up.
Teamwork even in chores. I like it.